as one of the radio station now in some appear free a yes of will be obano. I know the mammy Akua donkor way. As near the mammy will be chef from Nan summer. Yatu or Ghana Hano, I know ding. So for ye mammy Akua donkor, one more pranny coon will soon soon. What woman Yanas and Yankupon, other Nediache, now soon no more cune so. Appear when a money myself way, and the sound crofone in a dear betuja, and crofone in a dear betuja, so in me was see. Mammy Akua donkor waiting, one way dear dear. I said Fundakan, when you who said the soup one another say, won't so what to an another ever said. So for some more can every.
We're seeing say exposition at NDC for Ejinano. There will be some spiritual manipulations at drop NDC position. Yes, I didn't believe it. I was like, oh, it is impossible. Suddenly, how? And you were also specific, say NDC for if such changes nearby or make number 7.
Yeah,
Papa, yeah, that's why you don't call you. Not just say prophecy now or share no. Abem and Chairman Wontumi so be can send me or no didn't say in the book. He was very emphatic, say, may I will show them meaning send on the night here BB so. And he also came that was before who prophecy no or say or be change a NDC for 8 position or I'm not be 7.
That is after my prophecy.
Yes, after your prophecy.
Yeah.
Now I didn't want any other number 4 or 5 or 9 or 10 or now almost to be pian so say 7.
Yeah.
Papa bomb community.
Because Niama MPP 4 be nyina no on be no in October. Na omu wiya meka ho asem. Na omu wie omu de October, November, and I made 2 and more as a meeting. And this is for number 8. Because I said, this is what I saw going on. This is the agenda. This is the attempt. Now, Cesadia no is here, and this is for Beba number 7. How will somebody be removed from the race? How will somebody be taken away from the race? Said the Beya MPP 4. I didn't know person achieve for NDC to lose the number 8, you know, for them to achieve it. They me who was soon sumnie. They nyame da nedi chire me was soon sum enunye. Me who send a meeting koso. Na omuti meeting ase. Na meeting ase na di omu plan say ye beye den near ye NDC for number 8. Talk to say. Na sunsu mi hu say omo ye say okay de ye beye ni ida say ye be ma Akua donkor ye be kwa komani sika ana akpalu nkofo mienu na omo de omo ni si omo so no. Yes, yeah. In the vision no angel no catch them say they would do every attempt say ombe ma Akua donkor sika na on free or onye den onu ankasa enye den and withdraw. But in that vision, the angel told me, say, Akua donkor company. Na ombe the same thing to akpalu so onyintum. Na se omoye no wie na nkofo ye anyantum a de ombe ye nie. E ho na me hu de ombe ye. Se de be ye be ye obi afim ama NDC for drop it to number 7. Enti se de amo kan no mote say Wontumi di nsa bonebo. Eka se ye de ye be ye bia ama NDC for number 7 ye be. Na so bi nso de nse sinibu a na chese wonimu de oka. That is why I said when MPP 4 kasa, don't joke with their way. They know what they are saying.
But the Wontumi so kind there is video to prove.
That is it.
Said it.
Person me kan na se me person me ye you know. Me tete so. Me say Osubempa, I'm telling you. So back on ya me what 10. Na se me what pim. Na se me what 1 million a year. And I'm telling you, me say so Osubempa kra wodima chinya. Baby NDC for crowd da say 8 na say you. Na me free wa ba 7 and na say 6. I'm telling you to show the strength and the power.
So say inti di omo kan no enya grodi eno mudi. It is eye nibra asem eno mani abre. Inti sunsu mehu say another meeting ekoso. Na wo mo say ye ni Akua donkor akasa wampeni. Ye ni akpalu akasa wampeni. Inti se si ana mehu say spiritually no mo to coffin. Spiritually mehu so mo to coffin.
Unadaka.
Yes. Si akasa na mampeni dia ye be ye obi afim.
By force.
If
persuasion fails.
Force must be applied.
She will not withdraw.
Now, Tio, Missy Obi. Now, Missy she.
That's what I even wanted to know. Why were you specific with the gender?
Oh, Missy somebody on the ballot. Now, I've specifically as a she.
And I don't know who say she.
Then so.
She will not withdraw, but she will be killed spiritually and put in a casket. And it will happen just to bring Mahama to number 7 on the ballot paper.
So she will not withdraw, but spiritually she will be killed because when we say near to Adaka, near to Adaka, yet you'll be atum. Until spiritually she will be killed.
If the MPP are saying all over that they will remove Mahama from number 8 to number 7, they are not joking.
No, they are not. Kajia, they are not joking.
Yeah.
If they say they will move Mahama to number 7, they are not joking. Yes, continue.
Someone will be sent to the grave to achieve that. Wow.
Kajia, someone will be what?
Sent to the grave to achieve that.
To achieve that. Someone will be sent to the grave to achieve that. Let's continue.
How can people be this wicked because of elections? Please, let's pray for Akua donkor. And anybody that knows her, tell her, hey, let me take that again. Please, let's pray for Akua donkor. And anybody that knows her, tell her to run to a house of God immediately for her life.
Thank you.
For it will happen suddenly.
We dear a common politician, I yenina, say the who say Fuada and nam you penalty, say, oh, pay be a fan. A queen trying to mess some macra.